In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another ad group in Google Ads. Now, if you're running multiple campaigns or just need to segment your ads effectively, adding new ad groups can be a great way to target specific themes or keywords. Let's dive right in and simplify this process for you. First, let's start by signing into your Google Ads account. This is your main hub for managing campaigns, and you'll need to be logged in to access all your advertising tools and settings. Once you're logged in, navigate over to the Campaigns section. You'll find this option prominently displayed in your account dashboard. Clicking on Campaigns allows you to see all the campaigns you currently have running or have previously set up. Now direct your attention to the Page menu on the left side of the screen and locate the option labeled Ad Groups. Click on this and you'll be taken to a section that lists all your existing ad groups. This is where you can effectively organize your advertising efforts within each campaign. Once you're in the ad groups section, look for the plus button, usually marked with a plus symbol, plus, and go ahead and click it. This button is your gateway to creating a new ad group. Depending on your account settings, you might be prompted to select a specific campaign for your new ad group. It's important to select wisely, as you won't be able to change the campaign after the ad group is created. So take a moment to ensure the campaign choice aligns with your advertising goals. Next up is naming your new ad group. Here you'll want to think about the theme or focus of the keywords and ads you plan to include. Choose a descriptive name that will make it easy for you and anyone else working on the campaign to quickly recognize what this ad group is all about. After naming your ad group, it's time to enter your keywords. This is a critical step, as keywords determine who sees your ads. Be mindful of the types of keyword match settings you want to use, whether that's broad, phrase, or exact match, and specify them as needed. Following your keyword setup, you'll need to set the default bid for the ad group. This is the maximum amount you're willing to pay per click for ads in this group. Take into account your budget and the competitive landscape of your chosen keywords when setting your bid. Finally, click Save and Continue. This will take you to the ad creation page where you can create ads that are relevant to your ad group's theme. Remember, targeting and relevance are key to an effective ad group, so make sure your ads speak to the specific audience you're targeting. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new ad group in Google Ads. By organizing your campaigns this way, you can better direct your advertising efforts and maximize the effectiveness of your ads. Happy advertising!